पूरी दुनिया जो है वो इस इशू से त्रस्त है और वो इशू है साइबर क्राइम। इस पॉडकास्ट में एक ऐसी हस्ती ने माना ये शो करने के लिए इन एडवाइजिंग हाउ टू फाइट दिस menace. She's none else than Anupama Basru ji. What do you mean by cyber crime?
Any crime that happens in the cyberspace for which electronic medium is being used is a cyber crime.
But when you see banking frauds, OTP frauds,
there are two ways. One is greed. मतलब आप ऑनलाइन गए, किसी ने कहा कि इसमें इन्वेस्ट करो या इसके पैसे मिलेंगे, वहाँ लगाओ. First of all, there is nobody who you can see. 5 लाख के ऊपर जब अमाउंट चलने लगी, तो he would not get back his money. People who are running it, of course, even in Jamtara we saw the people who ran the whole scam are not very highly educated.
क्या आपसे 2 मिनट बात हो सकती है?
Dada is the fear. Some sort of a law enforcement agency calls you up and says कि भाई आपका एक पार्सल है, उसमें मिले हैं. शरीफ जितने लोग हैं, डरता तो है. तो वो डर जो है वो इनिशियल है. There is a continuous bombardment from the perpetrator onto the victim. This is called digital arrest.
से बोल रहा हूँ आपके पार्सल में दिल्ली एयरपोर्ट टर्मिनल 2 के
Somebody who comes in for playing an online game will come as a kid. He is not going to say मैं 50 साल का हूँ. पहले वो आपके बच्चे का confidence gain कर लेगा. What if that person asks the child for the photographs? Online most of the time now these days happens on AI. This is called cyber grooming.
Teenager is behind bars tonight.
CBI ने एक international child rapid का पर्दाफाश किया है and selling child pornography clips.
I'm sure everybody's heard of the blue whale. It's something that challenges you. 10वीं का बच्चा है, started playing blue whale. एक point आया when he was asked to jump off the balcony.
my God.
And he jumped off.
और अब खूनी गेम ब्लू व्हेल की इसकी चपेट में कई बच्चे अब तक आ चुके हैं.
खूनी गेम के अब तक 250 शिकार.
Rate of honey traps is going up. Cyber crime is concerned.
That person really needs to understand. He will go through all your social media.
Yeah.
आपका thought process वहाँ से समझने की कोशिश करेगा. A person who wants to actually honey trap you will keep checking profile.
I'm sure after listening to this podcast, will really think over it and spread this word around.
A fraud can happen with anyone.
Anyone.
A scam can happen with anybody.